I'm going to teach you how to make a broccoli shake. I have to admit, these do not taste the best, but they do give you great energy. So here I have a cup of broccoli, half a cup of spinach or kale, and I have half a grapefruit, a whole lime, and half a cup of water. And so we're just going to start putting them in. I suggest kale over spinach, even though kale does taste worse. It does give you more energy. So now we're going to blend it. And there you have it, the delicious tasting broccoli shake.